So I think now it's time for, let's see what is the next, Quside. Yes, Steve, please.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name's Steve. I'm from Quside. I'm going to speak to you today about something that all of us probably take a little bit for granted. If we all have one of these, this is underpinned by randomness in terms of cybersecurity and the communications that are coming from this. And essentially, the root of all randomness comes from entropy. And here we have some examples of several major global companies that are on the screen. I won't mention them by name. And essentially, they have had breaches in their entropy over the last 1, 2, 3, 4 years or so. So that there is a real need for that. Now, if you think about it, in terms of vehicles, there's an example just to my left over there. Vehicles are becoming, obviously autonomous, but they are becoming essentially mobile communications Wi-Fi units. I bought a vehicle, and I'm not going to mention the manufacturer, 2 weeks ago. When I sat in my vehicle at the dealer to drive away, it said, would you like to position or schedule your software update right now? And would you like to connect your mobile devices through to the Wi-Fi in the vehicle as well? Now, how can I guarantee the communications going from the command center and also my personal data on my device is secure? Well, essentially, Quside has a solution to that. And I'm about to show you, when I get it out of my pocket, this is it. It is a quantum photonic chip, which essentially derives quantum random numbers. We essentially put that into an organization's cybersecurity posture. What that does is it guarantees the cybersecurity, the security involved around all of the communications from the vehicle command center to any of your mobile devices that you have in that vehicle as well. And essentially, why does Quside stand out in this particular marketplace? Well, by the US DoD, they have proved that our technology has the highest performance, the highest scalability, the highest quality of randomness that is derived from our chips, but also it has the highest level of measurability. So we actually have the ability to take the data from there and to basically make sure that regulatory and compliance, especially here in the EU sector, is actually adhered to as well. So it's very good for compliance purposes as well. We also own all of our patents as well. Now, very quickly, the last point, the big ask here, we basically would say to OEM manufacturers, we would say to tier 1 supply chain, we would say to systems integration operators, look at Quside, look at what we do, see if we can integrate some of our technology, we can get an engagement going, a proof of concept, a minimal viable product, to see how tangible this technology and what difference it can make to securing communications between your organization's vehicle and all the communications going around it in the world today. Yeah. Thank you for your time.